Welcome back. Crime Branch has filed charge sheet against accused Ram Bharose Manji and Vikas Kumar Sao in Vijayapagi rape and murder case. Crime Branch in the charge sheet has charged Ram Bharose for killing the victim Vijayapagi and raping her. Vikas Kumar Sao has been charged for buying robbed mobile phone of the victim. Investigating agency has named 72 persons as prosecution witnesses. Vijayapagi was raped and murdered on 31st January in Kankon.
Crime Branch on Monday filed a charge sheet against accused Ram Bharose Manji in Vijayapagi rape and murder case before JMFC court at Kankona. In the 180-page charge sheet, Crime Branch has named 72 persons as prosecution witnesses.
Today, on 5th May 2014, the sensational case of Vijayapagi rape and murder case, which was handed over to us, which is handed over to the Crime Branch by the government Goa. We have filed a charge sheet today in JMFC Kankona court. Totally around, I think, 72 witnesses have been, 72 people have been made witness in the case.
In the charge sheet, Crime Branch has disclosed that on 31st January, accused Ram Bharose, a migrant daily wage labourer, was off from his duty. He was drinking alcohol with his friend. Ram Bharose saw Vijayapagi returning back to home after selling fish in the ITI area. Ram Bharose told his friend that he is going to toilet and followed Vijayapagi. After reaching at the scene of crime, he suddenly attacked her from behind. Victim started to retaliate and beat him on his forearm. After a long scuffle, Ram Bharose overpowered the victim. Ram Bharose raped the victim twice when she was in semi-conscious state and strangulated and smoothed her to death. Ram Bharose had taken mobile phone of the victim. Ram Bharose had sold victim's mobile phone to one of his known labourers, Vikas Kumar Sao. Later, Vikas Sao was arrested from Bihar with the mobile phone of victim Vijayapagi. Our reporter from Panji, Mukesh Kumar, with Tulsidas Chari.
O.N.G.C of Dehradun defeated Kerala's B.P.C.L by 3-1 and won the first All India volleyball tournament organized by Kunkoli Union. Haryana State I.D.C beat 2 Signals Training Centre by straight sets to clinch the third position in the tournament. The 5-day floodlit event at Kunkoli concluded on Sunday night.
It was B.P.C.L who made a good start to the final by winning the first set, but O.N.G.C fought back in style to take the next 3 sets and the title with it. I.D.C had an easy outing against 2 STC, winning in straight sets to take the third position. Deputy Chief Minister Francis D'Souza was the chief guest and gave away the prizes along with other dignitaries. Champions O.N.G.C backed the trophy and 60,000 rupees, while B.P.C.L had to settle for 40,000 rupees prize money. Kunkoli Union President Elvis Gomes urged the Goa Volleyball Association to work hard to revive volleyball in the state.
Next year, we will be able to organize an international volleyball tournament by bringing at least 4 international teams. I was already in touch with some people from Brazil and they have shown very great interest after I have sent the pictures to them of this tournament. And I'm sure we will make it possible. But we require the support of the Goa Volleyball Association, and I am throwing this challenge to them that they have to revive, they have to take steps to revive this one of the most favorite sports once upon a time in Goa back and bring more players on the scene and form a volleyball league in Goa, which is a must, otherwise there is no hope for volleyball.
Savio Dias for Prudent.
And with this we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.